Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a door handle. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a tape measure. Make sure your new handle's backset, the distance from the door's edge to the center of the bore hole, matches your existing one, usually 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. Also, confirm your door thickness, typically between 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 inches, is compatible. Now, let's remove the old handle. Start by locating the screws on the interior side of the handle. Use your screwdriver to remove these screws completely. Once the screws are out, gently pull the two halves of the handle apart and set them aside. Don't forget to remove the latch plate from the edge of the door. It's usually held in place by 2 small screws. This step is straightforward and prepares your door for the new hardware. With the old handle gone, it's time for the new one. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the door's edge, making sure the angled side of the latch faces the door frame. Secure it with the 2 screws provided. Next, place the exterior handle on one side of the door. Then, slide the interior handle onto the spindle, carefully aligning the screw holes. This ensures a smooth and secure fit for your new hardware. Almost done? Now, insert and tighten the screws to firmly secure both halves of your new door handle. Don't over-tighten, but make sure it's snug. Next, install the new strike plate on the door frame, aligning it perfectly with the latch. Finally, test your new handle. Open and close the door several times, checking that the latch retracts and extends smoothly. This ensures your new handle is fully functional and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.